I know that I've been putting a lot of these volcano shots and videos on my YouTube channel, and that's just because it's ever changing. I want to say thank you very much for subscribing. My channel just got monetized. That will definitely help a lot when I'm doing these videos, if I can get some money back. Before we start this video, I just want to make one thing clear. This video is going to be a vlog, so we are going to have a music underneath all the volcano shots, but tomorrow or the day after I'm going to be posting like a raw video with some more natural sounds and no music. So if you don't like the music, mute the video or wait for the next one. So but this is more like the trip to the volcano and all about it. So this is the tripod I'm bringing. Of course I have my drone. You guys have been asking about what drone I'm using. Is the Mavic 2 Pro. I have my batteries charging right there. Oh, let's switch up this one. And this is for the camera you're watching this video on. These are my Mavic batteries. I have the controller charging. It's at 100%, so it's ready to go. I have my travel cube, so I can charge my phone if something happens or if I just need to charge it. I'm still contemplating on bringing the Ninja monitor where I can have the external recording. I have these MD filters for the Mavic. These are really key for what we will be doing today. And then we have all of our memory cards, because we are going to be wasting a lot of memory. Now I think I'll start packing and start the journey.
Do you just feel like there is no air left to breathe? Do you just wanna to be left outside the grid? It's all for sure, I didn't know. I wonder what it meant to be. If I let go and let it flow, I think there's more to see.
Well, it's quite warm. It's probably around like 10 degrees Celsius. They've changed it now. They made the path more accessible, so all this is new. It's definitely not for the Icelandic people, but as we can expect this volcano to go on for years, they're probably thinking about the money.
Do you just feel like there is no just left to see? Do you just wanna to rewriting down your script? It's all for sure, I didn't know. I wonder what it meant to be. If I let go, so let it flow, I think there's more in me.
I just need a break. I'll take what you think. I just need to break.
I'll take you to a trip to the other side. I'll take you to a trip to the other side. Take a trip to the other side. I'll take you to a trip to the other side.
Okay, hopefully the dead cat works fine. But now I'm at the volcano and it's changing so much every single day. And these new ones are getting so big, so big. By the looks of it, the guy I'm supposed to meet is just about to get here. So if you jump into the lava, this is according to the to the internet, you basically stay afloat and it will just slowly burn you. But I'm guessing you die within a couple of seconds.
You have to wait a little bit more so the sun can go more down, so you can.
Yeah, no, I think it's just flat, kind of hard to see it right now. the first time, like in the beginning, they were telling people to, if you're not physically fit to walk, or you're not used to walking a long way or a long distances over mountains, you should not be making this walk. Right now it's good enough for you to take your kids basically. So
yeah, a lot of people with kids.
yeah, but like the first days, I would, like if I would tell a kid, like I'd never take the kid, because it was such a hard, like nothing was marked. Like now if you get lost, you basically just hug this mountain and then you have like sticks pointing up. Well, we have been here for how long? So
About 2-3 hours almost.
3 hours, yeah. And the sun is slowly setting, so we've taken some good videos so far, and are going to take more. But we are kind of waiting for the sun to go a bit more down to get more of the lava and more glowing effect in the valley. Right now, this right here is the old volcano, the first one, and these two right here are the guys that are most active right now. This one in the back right here is also active, but it's not blowing out as much as it used to. There's also a misconception, like these are technically not 8 different volcanoes. These are a part of the same system, so it's technically a fissure with 8 volcano cones, or calderas as they call it. Okay, maybe, yeah, and then push it up. Well, a bit of update. The drone flight for him didn't go expected, but one of the motors had already gotten broke somewhere along the way to Iceland, so he's going to the DJI store tomorrow to fix his drone so he can fly the drone.
We will give you updates after the DJI store. Let's hope.
Yeah, hopefully they can fix it for him. We changed locations a bit. It's getting a bit darker in the valley, so you can see that the lava is getting more red now. So I'm going to probably be putting up my drone soon, but now we are just doing a time lapse. Well, there are a lot of more people right now than were here in the beginning. I'm about to head home. My drone battery have all finished their lifespan, and I also melted my drone. I'll show you that when I get home. Anyways, it was a great day at the volcano. I'll see you at home. This is the day after I filmed this vlog. I'm going to show you the damage. It's not too much, but as you can see right here, you have some kind of deformation of the plastic. This is the lights, and then you have this. These are the sensors, but usually they have like a cover or like a glass that completely melted off. Plus these two right here, they're kind of deformed, and this is what I probably need to think about the most, because it's not like clipping into place. Yeah, you can see if we look in on this side, this is how the sensor should look like underneath, like with this kind of glass, but that's completely melted off right here. But that's fine, it still flies, and I'll probably take it more again over the volcano. But it's the sacrifices that we make